Hey guys, and welcome to Car Guy 1999 Reviews. Today, thanks to Albrecht Buick GMC in Wakefield, we have the 2024 GMC Sierra 1500 AT4 XAEV. Absolutely gorgeous truck, finished here in Thunderstorm Gray over Obsidian Rush. 6.2 liter V8, 420 horsepower, 460 pound-feet of torque. Let's see here. AT4 XAEV edition, so that comes with front and rear skid plates, transfer case for skid plates for front and rear differential, transfer case and fuel tank, AEV stamped rear bumper, the upgraded wheels, rocker protection, front head restraints and tailgate decal. This one has a 6.2 Ecotec V8, as well as active exhaust for a sticker price of $90,480, which for a 1500 is a lot of money, I know, but this is a lot of truck, and this is probably my favorite Sierra. Not just because of the exhaust, but a very big reason is the exhaust. It sounds phenomenal. Take a look at this truck. Oh, so good. Bose Sound, AEV, American Expedition Vehicles. Even have a leather wrapped grab handle. Do have suede headliner. I've always said over the years is the Sierra and the 1500 in general needed more sound. This, perfect, absolutely perfect. Let's see, do I go to normal? Oh yeah, normal, it's quiet. Go into sport, it opens up. Leather wrapped steering wheel actually feels great in the hands. Being a off-road based truck, I expected on-road manners to be a little compromised. That's not the case. Drives very, very well. Thing sounds so good. Oh, it's just the right amount of sound. Put into low, use these paddles. say though, I mean, just the overall package, yes, $90,000 is a lot of money, and I'm not going to avoid that. My 7AT Boxster GTS, brand new, was $97,000, only $7,000 more than this truck. So I don't know. It's one of those $100,000 1500s are very close to being a reality. In some cases, they are a reality, and I know there's a market for it. And yes, they're very, very nice vehicles, but spending $100,000 on a 3/4 ton truck, I just don't know. Or half ton, I mean. I do wish, like how they have on the Denalis, they have Denali. If you could have put AT4X on that, that would have made it a lot better. I don't know. I'm nitpicking at this point. I just love this truck. I can't avoid that statement. In fact, I might do another lap just because I love this thing so much. Alright, you guys, thank you so much for watching. Please like, share, subscribe. I'll see you all in the next one.